Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So today we're gonna learn how to make a deepfake video like this. Let me show you.
This is الكاسيت بتاعت الكبير. Oh, I like all of cassette. That's right, cassette. Why you talk with me like this? Why you hate me from your heart? From your heart? No! هليود ليس بخير. أنا هرجع هليود now. But yes, مشاهد وفلوسي وين في كاليفورنيا. لازم أرجع لاس فيغاس now. Please give me 50 pounds. Come. I'm seeing.
So as you can see, we put the face of the actor Leonardo DiCaprio on the Egyptian actor. So to do that, we use the DeepFaceLab software. So first of all, what is the DeepFaceLab software? DeepFaceLab is an open source software, guys. It's used to make a deepfake videos. So it uses a pre-trained model to detect the faces and it uses GANs neural networks to generate the emotions for the destination video from the source video. So if you don't know what is GANs, you have to search for it, guys. It's a very interesting topic to know about. It's called GANs neural network. Okay. First step, we have to download the software. So in here, we have the GitHub link of the software. Also, I'm going to provide all the links in the description of the video. Just download the software from this link. It's a torrent link. And if you have a CPU, only an old laptop don't have any GPU card, so those CPU version, only the CPU version, guys. I'll also tell you a way to just to train your model on the GPU version. So here we have already downloaded. You have to download only this version, DirectX 12 build. This is a CPU version to train on your own CPU. So after you download it, you extract it, and it's gonna be like this. Okay, you can open it. It's a bunch of bat files. I'm also gonna tell you every file what every file is gonna do if you open it. So a second step after you downloading the software, you have to provide a source and destination video. As you can see here, this is the destination video.
Please give me
as you can see. So guys, I have to tell you something important. You have to help the model detect the face. So in order to do that, you have to just manually blur the other faces in the video or mask the other faces in the video. So to do that, use any editing software like Premiere Pro I have here. And the result video is going to be something like this. As you can see, just I masked the other faces to help the model only detect the desired face. And here I got the source video, also blurred all the unwanted faces, but only leaves the face of the actor Leonardo DiCaprio, just to help the model extract the samples of the face of the dataset. So I just provided the destination and the source video. And very important thing, guys, you have to call it the same name as like this. Data underscore the destination and data underscore source. If you don't name it like the same name like this, the program won't identify the videos. It's gonna give you an error. Okay. So and just source and destination video, put it in here, the workspace, and just run these two files. The first file is extract the frames from the source video, and second file is that to extract the frames from the destination video. And after running these two files, you have to run another two files to extract the faces. You should extract the frames. You have in the next step is to extract the faces. So to extract the faces, You have to just to run this file number 4 and file number 5, the source and the destination. After extracting the source and destination, it's going to be something like that. I'm gonna run this file with you guys just to imagine how it's like. Just to run this file. It's gonna give me an error. Don't worry, it's just an error for me not having a GPU on my laptop. As you can see, guys, this error is only for not having GPU card in my laptop. Just press OK and just turn on the extension of the image. Just write the default value, okay, BNG. And we'll just start extracting the images. As you can see, just extract the frames. So the other batch file is the same. Just write the default values. That is the program shows you in the top left corner of the CMD. As you can see here, the workspace. I already extracted the aligned faces, something like that. After running the fourth and the fifth file, bat file, and here is the source. No, not like this. Here is the source, aligned faces. So we are ready to start training our model. So to train our model, we have two options. To train it on our CPU, and which to do this, just run this file to train it on the CPU, and which will actually take a lot of time, maybe 6 or 7 hours just to train this 1-minute video. You're free to train it on the CPU, and the other step is to train it on Google Colab GPU. In order to do that, just enter the GPU notebook, the Colab notebook provided by the DeepFaceLab software. I'll also leave the link in the description. Just open it and follow the steps. It's pretty simple steps, guys, to follow. Just install the DeepFaceLab, and after you install it, you have to upload your aligned faces in your Google Drive. To do that, you have to create a new folder and name it workspace. And in this folder, you have to put the data source and the data destination two folder inside it. And inside these two folder, you have to exist the aligned folder. And after you put these two folder inside the workspace, you have two archives into a zip file, not a RAR file. Okay. After you zip this file, you have to upload it in your Google Drive. Upload it, guys. You have to upload it into the outer subdirectory, not inside any folder in your drive. Okay, guys. After you upload in your drive, you have to mount your drive into in the Google Colab notebook. Just run this, and then import the workspace folder from your drive and extract it. And after doing this, you have to start training your model. Just simply select the quick 96 architecture and start training. And after training, you have to download the workspace from your drive. You update the folder every 1 hour. After you download it, you have to open it and extract the model folder. Extract the model folder from it and put it inside your workspace. Just like that, you finish the training process. And after the training process, you have to do the merging process. To do the merging process, you have to run this file, merge quick 96, because we just trained on the quick 96 architecture. After doing that, just have to merge it into an MP4 video. Just to do that, you have to run this file. And that's it, guys. We end up making our deepfake video. A video like this. and which is gonna call a result, not just rename it. I know it's it's gonna be difficult in the first time, but just super easy, guys. I guarantee you that. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll answer as fast as I could. And don't forget, guys, just keep learning and never stop.